The American dream, where has it gone? I'm expressing what we want in this song. We're of different creeds and motherlands. Where did we come from if not God's hands? We talk about making a difference every day, and yet corporations don't think it's okay. We have the right to live, we know it, and we all were nature's spirits.
I am happy to join with you today in what will go down as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
We all want freedom, we all need hope, and yet some of us put hope on a rope. We still fight battles wherever we roam, but the biggest war is here at home. The color of skin shouldn't mean a thing. The one that should is when we laugh and sing. We're kings and queens of our right to life. Yeah, we follow fear like a fool to a fight. We need to fight the system and fight the past, for times like this aren't meant to last. We're natural spirits in a world built on fear. We're natural spirits, yes we are, see here.
I am happy to join with you today in what will go down as the greatest demonstration for freedom in the history of our nation.
The sun was just waking up over the African plains. The lions were beginning to wake up and beginning to hunt for their herd for the morning breakfast. And just across from them, from where they were hunting, the Maasai tribe warriors were just about to attack to earn their next honorary title to their tribe. The lions looked around, and just as they saw them, the warriors were about to attack. The Maasai warriors were about to come right in front of the lions with their spears as they ran towards them. But neither side would have expected that a green bolt of lightning would have hit the ground right between them. And then this happened directly where the lightning had struck, scaring them off. Monsieur President, we have new reports coming in on me. Strange attacks just taking place at the Vatican and in Egypt. Something clearly is going on, sir.
Yes, and yet something is clearly, obviously going on. But these two attacks seem to be in sync. As if someone is, well, they're attacking in a pattern. We don't know what that pattern is exactly yet, sir. But we do know that it is happening, and the only question is who is next. What country and where in that country. I want you to start a private task force yourself to follow the patterns of this, Mr. Secretary. Of these attacks, no one should know about this. particular task force, that is. I completely understand, Mr. President. All information, no setbacks, total confidentiality, completely top secret, completely off the books, off the records, total blackout on every event. I'll be back soon with news in this as it unfolds, sir. Once Mr. Secretary of Defense White got back to his office, they brought the attention of his own personal secretary, but not the one at his doorstep, but one from hell itself. I want you to recruit the finest warriors, at least a small team of them, 4 of all. Let's see how far we can get with it.